So today we are going to make how to make a keyboard shortcut key in NX. So first of all, I will open a part already made. So here you can see the part. Okay. So first of all, I'll see which shortcut key is there by default for the hide command. Okay. Now I'll show you how to make keyboard shortcut key for hide command. So before that, we have to see which shortcut key is using for hide command. Okay, now you can go view here hide. So control B is the shortcut key for default by default for the hide command. Okay, I just want to make the hide command Z only. Okay, so only Z key. Okay, so you can choose any keyboard key. I'm just going to give an example. Okay, so before that, I'll go to right click, customize, command, then keyboard, then here we'll go edit, show and hide. Here you can see control plus B is the default key for the hide command. So I have to select the control B command, remove, I have to apply Z, assign. So here you can see there is cross symbol is there, so it cannot be applied for the hide command because Z is using for another command. So we have to see which command is in which command Z is being used. Okay. So to see that we have to go to report. Here you can see Z is using for insert sketch curve profile. Okay. So I'll go to insert sketch curve profile then Z. Here I just have to remove the Z command. Okay. Now I'll check the hide command. Okay. Again I'll go to edit, show and hide. Now you can see there is no cross symbol is there, Z is green. Okay, then close. Here you can see close. Now here you can see the shortcut keys for hide is Z is set. Okay, you can select the part then press Z. Okay, thank you.